love Zimbabwe this much. You see, today we're chilling with the SME with the Oga Haxe. Welcome to Slim Dogs Amazing Voices. With something for you, something super. This is season 2. It's gonna be special. Yeah, Mr. Producer, give us something, yeah. What? Okay.
Tikuonegi ndipo pakatangira tira marese iwa bushide takapinda tikiroba kusukunyana senda batwa ndichibatuku bakanditarisa kuva kumusoro kusika kushangu takufinyama kushakisa kiso seba wana mandu wana uyu ini adipengesa wana uyu ini adipengesa Aria wanda fambira Aria wanda buira I got you Andimusiye Aria wanda fambira uyu aria wanda huira pakanzi pinda makuwasha isutiku onegi ndipo pakatangira dira marese iwa uzide takapinda tichiroba kusukunyana senda batwa ndichibatsuvu vakanditarisa kuva kumusoro kusvika kushangu ndokufinyama kushatisa chiso seva ona mandu onayi mwana uyu andipengesa onayi mwana uyu ini andipengesa.
Zaiko langa zipenyenye. That was Oga Haxe. You're in the building, yeah.
So.
Yes, for that. With the producer in the building is also a singer, songwriter.
Handikutengere zingoto inindo spakira soto lavu yedunganu moto tuwafana twese hokoyo handikutengere zingoto baby ndo spakira soto lavu yedunganu moto tuwafana twese hokoyo asema poto kanazi ya mukoto kasika ine lavu yedu baby nonzi live show asema poto kanazi ya mukoto kasika ine lavu yedu baby nonzi live show handikutengerezi ngoto inindo spakira soto lavu yedu nganu moto tuwafana twese hokoyo asema poto kanazi ya mukoto kasika ine lavu yedu maminonzi live show chimiro chako runakorwako wanditendereza musoro baby malipisi ako anonditendereza musoro baby. Your boy Oga Bariletea nini jina konani jina Haxe Tazoka kunaija tashika panyatate tiri harare. Ready to pop the music and ready to ride and ready to show these haters that we can do it with or without their support. 2017 Slim Dogs. Mafuto wa review Razaki.
Yeah, we have a producer, songwriter in the building. He's worked with so many artists in Chitumbiza, and he also stayed in Kadoma. We want to feel his voice. He's part of the Zim Amazing Voices crew. Yeah, producer. SME, show Zimbabwe what you got.
Yo, what up? Yeah, my name is Jean from Kadoma, representing Chi-Town. You know what it is. We're here in Harare and with Slim Dogs. With our main man, Try It, yo. I just want to say hi to everyone. So, I'm just gonna throw a freestyle right now. Like, listen. Shanda kupinda mushisanewe, musubara nasi. Ndinoda uzive ndichabanewe, tamara magumo enguvaka. Cause I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love. Saying I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love. Come on.
Ay, 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 ay.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's go. Pira na kutika. Mwanachi unowai kona kumira. Simuza kumashita kwenye mbira. Barele bomuka kuno chacha ya sha. Kumeka siti baya. Matora mudenga mboya. Legrano mukawo. Oga, kitoko. Akse.
Shanda kupinda mushisanewe, musubara nasi. Ndinoda uzive ndichabanewe, tamara magumo enguvaka. Cause I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love.
Yo.
I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love. Saying I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love. Say baby, things were never meant to be the way they are. I know we're friends, but I'm falling for you. I know you love me too, but the way you look is shy when you look at me. You can be the better when you said I bet I'll make you better. In the streets, making everybody jealous of our love, and nobody can do anything about it. So never worry, just tell me that you want me. That'll be so lovely, making me never wanna leave. You lonely, that's a word I never wanna hear you say. I'll stand with you in my life. Yo.
Entertainer aksinda toka shine power. I'm so crazy kumbe gloria flower. Sado nditerera muchikaya ndakapaba indemesa munato saka nifenda kanoka. Matimba sima konzo agachoka. Nose bleeding mesa mobuda mututu. Creating shoes amani ya misutu. Lechi wekazi bato nge machifle masabuku. Pushira push kumgeti kusunda ngoro. Isai fanya kati shaku fanya motoyo. Dipe wabanga nishke microphone.
Ndinoda uzive ndichabanewe, tamara magumo enguvaka. Cause I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love. Saying I'm in love with you, and I belong to you. I was meant to be with you and nobody else, my love. You and I were meant to be together, baby. Cause you're my baby. Yeah. Yo, what up? This is Jin, representing SME. And I just want to say, hey, yo, to Slim Dogs. Yeah, you got it, man. Shout.
Yo.
Uliruga rangu, chieza changu unondiveneka mulima kana usipo moyo wangu unotimba nekuti ndiwe wega unondipasa manyemwe. Uliruga rangu, chieza changu unondiveneka mulima kana usipo moyo wangu unotimba.